people that watch my videos. Okay, guess what time it is? It's 11:39. Can't believe that. But this is some exactly bullshit that I am experiencing at school. I'm getting detention for being unprepared and not having a paper. Is it like something that people have a problem with? Like, come up to someone and said, "You have a paper?" Nope. Give me your agenda, I'm gonna sign it. Oh my god. Daddy, I got detention. Oh my god, son. Did you really? Yeah, I did. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna whoop your fucking ass. But Daddy, it's because I was unprepared. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look like I freaking care. I'm still gonna whoop your fucking ass. But anyways, everyone. I am experiencing a lot of bullshit at school. And it's because of this dumb ass person. It's like he's not even there, but he is, and he exists. His name is Jacob Tidwell, and he's like the annoyingest dumb fuck I've ever seen before. He's trying to make comebacks, like if someone roasts him, he tries to do comebacks, but it doesn't make sense. It only makes sense to him. One time I roasted him, and then he said, well. That's exactly what happened to you too. And then I made another comeback, and then he had nothing to say. He doesn't not know what to do. Anyways, right now, here we go. Look chest. Go open chest. Oh god. Gems, oh my god. Gems. I'm trying to get that ruby armor. I need it that so bad. Oh my gosh, I got new boots. Let me see these engineer boots. I never seen this. Look awesome. Okay, engineer boots. Okay. No, never mind. I like the double jump instead. Let's battle now. Let's get along with this shit and yeah, let's kill some motherfucking these suckers. Anyways, have you ever experienced in like when you see a movie and you're about to cry, and then the movie's like so sad, but you don't get it. I watched Mexicano is me Mexican movie, and it was actually funny and sad. Cause this girl only had 2 weeks to be with her father, and the mom abandoned her. And then she came back, and then she wanted her back. Now I'm like super. Oh mother. Oh my fuck. This guy's trying to. What the fuck? How did you do that? That was like legitimately, I don't know what happened. I'm just fucking. Yeet. 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 Yeah, boy. Come on. Come on. this. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. See? I'm like, oh fuck. Yeet. And then I jump. You got that? Oh. Oh, you wanna do that too? You wanna do that? Hiya. I hate it when people just do that dumb fucking thing. Oh, did that just say Trump? Did that just say fucking Trump? Wait, let me see. Oh, it's him. If it said Trump, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. Trump is like dick. Oh, you think? Oh shit. Fucking bitch. Oh shit. I gotta defeat, and then I'm gonna miss all my shit, of course. Okay, let's see what this thing does. Oh fuck! No fucking way. Oh shit's green. Oh fuck. Dumb fucking ass. Motherfucking dick sucker. You gotta be fucking with me. Please be fucking with me. I'm gonna kill you fucking ass. Yike! Can't catch me. Yeah, bitch. Never mind. Oh, fuck. Oh my fucking. This goddamn cunt boy. Fucking bitch. Oh my fuck. You little dumb fuck. Please don't hear me, Chica. Chica. Oh my god. This fucking guy is such a fucking dumb fuck. What the fuck, man? Dumb shit. Bro, I'm gonna beat this guy's ass. I'm not fucking playing this time. Is that you? You did that? Bitch. I'm all the way, and nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. Oh my god. That was him? Bitch. Bitch. Oh, what? Appreciate it if. Oh shit. Oh my fucking gosh. No, dick bag. This gun sucks. I don't like it. Unless it's like for head. What the fuck, man? Okay, this is like a sneak gun. Bitch. 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 Oh my god. I'm gonna beat that. Who's shooting me? What the fuck, man? Oh my god, I hate these fucking people. Kill your ass. Hi Fury, wanna play a game? Okay people, guess what? In check. Okay, I'm probably gonna do one last match. Equal to 12. That's not mine. Bitches. You ain't got no life, man. Chica, you ain't got no life. I'm the one not to be messed with. I am the one not to be messed with. You can't catch me, you can't catch. Oh my fucking god. This bull fucking. This chica motherfucking YouTube. Okay. Dude. Heat wave. Where did he go? Oh my. What the hell? You cunt. This little cunt. I hear the cunt. I'm gonna fucking kill this fucking nigga. Oh fucking bitch. Chica Linda, can you do a blowjob on me? Cause I need a real blowjob. Like the blowjob has to be like real. 100% real blowjob. Oh, oh my fucking god. Bitch. Double jump, motherfucking bitch. Double jump. Oh my god. Chica, the fucking nigga. I'm running. Screw this bitch. Oh my fucking god. Wait, what level are they? 23, 22, I'm 22. Fuck this dick sucking bitch. Bitch ass. No, I was gonna. Oh my. I'm seeing you. Did you know we're not gonna make a comeback? Did you know that? Did you fucking know that we're not gonna make a comeback because this guy's like fucking deep? Look, even if I make this, I'm still gonna lose. Oh my god. I finally fucking made it. Oh my. What fuck? Oh my gosh. Linda the fucking bitch ass fucking bitch. Okay, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye.